Go, Adriana, go. Oh, the music stopped right when I started recording.
Bummer.
Go ahead, dance.
Oh, really? See? So here's the deal. Here's the deal. So when we're flying, easy on the selfies, because I'm guilty of, hey, I live with my mom. I do this. Look at me, I'm eating a hamburger. But we don't want to do that when we're flying.
No, I'll be holding it like this and, you know, like in the window.
Really, you promise me that?
Yeah, keep her in check.
No way, man. I think that's your job.
Yeah, that is your job.
Yeah, you're her brother. Yeah. I get that a lot because I'm really...
Bailey, say hi.
She's just my sister.
What are we doing? What are we doing, guys?
Are you videotaping?
Of course I'm videoing.
Yeah. So,
Babe, where are we? Hello, where are we? Where are we? What are we gonna do? Sweet. Say hi. We're gonna go fly. Fly high in the sky.
all right. Aloha.
So that sucks. They canceled the helicopter tour due to inclement weather. Basically really low-lying clouds, and it's been raining like a little bit off and on throughout the morning. So they canceled it. Unfortunately, they canceled the people before us too, but they, you know, were hopeful that it would clear up a little bit before canceling ours. So, bummer. We rescheduled for tomorrow. So boo, we're sad about it, but I mean, what can you do? You don't want to pay all that money to go on this crazy, awesome, expensive helicopter tour and only get to see like half of what, you know, not even half, maybe not even half of what, you know, you're supposed to be seeing. So we're crossing our fingers that tomorrow the weather will be better. The weather the entire time we've been here has been kind of crummy off and on. Like right now, you can see it's like a little windy, but it's been, well, come on, it's been super rainy a lot of the time, and so kind of bummer that it's been not the best weather so far since we've been here. But I mean, we have another 6 days here. My sister leaves in 2 days, so I'm really hoping we get at least one good, you know, day, and hopefully this helicopter tour works out tomorrow. Anyway, that's it for now. We're gonna pack up and meet Brad's family up where they're staying up in the northern area near Princeville. So we'll see you in Princeville then. Look it, that's all the white things are birds.
No, I know. See all the birds, honey? See all the white birds?
It's just birds hanging out, enjoying life. They're little geese.
But they're not. Yeah, that's how we have to get.
Whoa, Adriana, look! You want to hold her up? Wow. Oh, I'm gonna take a picture of you guys. Hold on. Isn't that pretty? Beauty. We made a stop on the way to my husband's parents' house, or the place they're staying while they're here. I hope you can hear me. I don't have a windscreen, a stupid knee. We stopped at the lighthouse. So we're gonna go check stuff out. Oh, look! We made it! Oh, whoa. Look at this, Adriana. Look, you can see. Oh, let's see down there. Wow. You want to go check out the lighthouse? We'll film that on the way back. There it is. Helicopter. Where are we going, Adriana? Get your hands off your mouth. Where are we going? To where they're staying?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna be turning right here. There it is. I know you're hungry, you're hungry. You're getting hangry pretty quickly here. That's what's gonna happen.
In a quarter mile, take a slight left turn onto Anini Road.
Take a slight left turn onto Anini Road.
There's the water.
Yeah, there's the water. There's the lighthouse. Back there. We were just looking at this whole area. Yeah. We got water and waves coming in. And the lighthouse is back there.
The lighthouse.
There it is. If my zoom would zoom in faster. There. Oh, it's actually pretty calm on the water. Look. There's like no waves right here. It's kind of nice.
The next day.
Go, Adriana, go. Oh, the music stopped right when I started recording.
Bummer.
Go ahead, dance.
There's a drumbeat in my heart.
We'll get more when we get closer.